Oh, why hello there! Hey guys, what's up? Kelvin here. So hello to those that are clicking this video and watching it right now, and hello to those that are coming from my other video, and hello to those that I have never seen or you have never seen me before. Today we are going to have a very easy, quick tutorial as to how I achieve this hairstyle. My hair is right now pretty trimmed on the side, and I have a little bit more volume and length throughout. So this hairstyle really is good for, you know, you could dress it up and really slick it to the side. I personally like how there's this kind of wave forming. So if you want to learn how to achieve this look, then stay tuned.
Okay, first you gotta start off with wet hair. I like to put in some sea salt spray, gives it a lot more hold, a lot more texture, and basically with that you blow dry. So you keep blow drying. I part it kind of 75% one way and then 25% the other way, and then all you have to do is really run your fingers through it and add some depth and volume. So after combing my hair, I will then use a straightener and I will pull it away and curl it away from the split line for the first two sections, and then the very last section I will curl the opposite direction. I've noticed that when I do this, so you can see now I'm pulling the other way. Why I like to do that is it just gives this nice wave kind of flow to the hair, and it's very important that you comb it out afterwards to really work out the kinks, and I know that when you do comb, you really just refine the silhouette. And then next we are going to use some hair gum. I just like to put a little bit of product to work it through the roots. Mainly I like to apply the product at the base and also in the problem areas. So for me it's really in the two back corners. So I really try to work the product in and push it down and push the hair down, because I know for me it always flares up. Next, to finish it off, I'm going to use some Rusk Deep Shine Oil Hairspray. This is probably one of my favorite hairsprays out there. It smells absolutely divine, and I just like to put it through. I tend to not use a lot. I like to use little spritz, but I know where my problem areas are. I know where things tend to flare up, so that's where I like to put a little bit more. So like I said, that tends to be in the back corners. So here's the finished look. I'm just gonna let it seal in a little bit, and boom, change. Okay, get ready for the big night or the big day, or just going out for a movie. I think this look is very classy. It has a lot of texture, a lot of volume, and you're good to go.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I am so excited to be back 2018. And like I said, there are a lot of things coming. I'm really going to try to produce consistent, good content because I really enjoy the process of doing so. So yeah, guys, I'm going to be creating weekly videos on Thursday. Come on back, stay tuned, and especially wait for January 31st with the release of Chapter 1 of my mini fashion film series. So make sure you guys come on back. I'll see you guys next week. Once again, this was Kelvin, and I am so glad to see you guys again. Take care.